So hi, my name is Raphael Ouzan. I'm the founder and CEO of A.Team. A.Team is building the AI native systems integrator for the application of AI with companies and especially enterprise by delivering teams of specialized experts and agents that are coming together to integrate the different pieces within an organization into a learning system to actually unlock the value of AI for companies, powered by a network of 12,000 of the world's best product builders. Since a teenager, I got into coding and was looking at then the birth of Web 1.0 really, as this acceleration and this opportunity for democratization and kind of escape the small city that I came from to a much bigger world, and realize early on that there's not so much I can do on my own, that you need an ecosystem around you. Of course, you can get a job, and a lot of people, at big tech giants, very comfortable and so on, feeling that there could be more for them out there, things that they would find more fulfilling, where they could apply their very unique skills. And from a market perspective, you had the beginning of online work, but it was more for the gig economy, which is much more commoditized and kind of low value type of tasks. And on the other hand, you have the big like SIs and consulting firms where if you're a great engineer or product builder, you don't necessarily want to join a workforce of hundreds of thousands of people. So this kind of void in the middle, we said, what if we could bring the best of both worlds, right? The value creation of some of the biggest firms in the world that are working with virtually every company on the planet, with the efficiency, the speed of those online work platforms to enable the best builders to team up and do the best work of their career. And that was the starting point for A.Team, and essentially building this AI system, a machine learning based system, really, that worked across this team graph with a curated community that was very highly vetted, that is very highly vetted, to create those teams. Now the evolution over time that we found is a lot of the development that we were brought to do, obviously, were AI developments for companies. And most AI developments don't actually work out to bring the value that you're supposed to get. And that's true with technology overall, but particularly with AI. And when we saw that, we realized it's, in order for us to crack this problem, we would have to not just have people that can solve acute problems, but we need to have the network that comes together by expertise, by vertical, deeply understanding the industry and the companies that we try to unlock in that kind of new wave of transformation, building specialized components and integration layers and so on, so that with very small teams, with the right AI enablement, the right verticalization, we could develop and achieve results where most of the typical internal teams or services firms have failed, and orders of magnitude faster. I think as people building companies, we're in positions where we don't have a choice but to learn way more than we're comfortable with constantly. Your job is solving today's challenges so that you can take care of tomorrow's challenges, and failure is still dealing with yesterday's challenges, because that means you are unable to deal with today's challenges. Leadership is an all-time premium, and it matters throughout the organization. I see that as we try to rethink, every workflow of as an AI native, SI, like efficiency and speed of learning, of implementation, of execution is really critical. And building AI-led workflows cannot be achieved with an incremental mindset. And to get out of the increment mindset, to really think, where do I want to be? What would it look like for this to be really great? You have to build that muscle of leadership and vision and break the ice around, that has been built over decades of having experience, not getting the resources that you need, not being able to think about what would be unreasonable, because, well, it's unreasonable, and being able to implement that in our teams, with our clients, and with our builders, is as important, if not more, than the technology itself. Every time we build an AI solution, we put a lot of focus on evaluation at the task level. And so over time, we're building this repository of what part of a job can be identified, what part probably cannot, and how well you can do it. So by having this data, particularly when verticalized, the support that the teams and architects and product managers and AI researchers, AI engineers get is one that is systematic and ever increasing, ever improving. Because every time we do something, we get more information on what can actually be solved well, how can it be solved better, and what really humans should own for as long as possible. And that's a kind of AI-led workflow and AI enablement that is really interesting because it grows every single day. So there's no telling how much more powerful the teams can become, just that they're learning not just at the speed of humans, but actually at the speed of AI, really.